Hey guys, what's up? Back in the garage again. Went out and got a new GoPro. My buddy Chris Wiskowski couldn't hear me, so I had to run out and get one real quick so he could hear me. Love you, Chris. Just want to give you a little show up on this transmission. Check out these gussets. Got the white Rhino case, Urco side covers, 930 out drives for that, 930 axle. Damn, look at them freaking 944 brakes, bitchin'. 11-inch rotors. I know it's not the turbo brakes, guys, sorry. Back to the transmission. Weddle gears, Weddle main shaft, Quaife, built by Mike Granger down south at PEP Performance. I think that's his name of his company. I'm gonna put that in the description below for you guys. I replaced the shifter bushing down in here. Look at this Bug Tech shifter. It's freaking sick. Changed them gears through those through that Rev 6 clutch by Ron Loomis. And then my buddy Eric needed a motor, so I gave him some stuff, and he got me four Continental tires for the Bug, new rubber for the Bug. Woo! But yeah, I just wanted to shoot can't talk, I'm all flustered and mumble jumbled up. But yeah, just got this new GoPro for Chris so you could hear me. But yeah, man, take it easy, guys, and I'll catch y'all on the flip. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see at what I got going on. If you have any questions whatsoever, please comment below and hit that cowbell so y'all keep notified of what's going on. But yeah, take it easy, and I'll see you next time.